Welcome to the AI-Com training video series. In this tutorial, we are going to show you how to update your store design. Go to the left menu and click on Design. Here you can see all of your design-related settings. In Theme setting you can choose your store theme and your store will be updated according to your desired theme. You can also add menus according to your requirements by using the Menus option. You can also add sub-menus to your store if you want. You can also add pages to your store. You can also slider ads to your store. You can also add SEO details to your store. Thanks for watching the video.